Welcome to today's Explainer. Okay, grab a seat because we're turning this space into a digital classroom to break down something you literally hear about every single day: artificial intelligence. We're going to build a solid foundation from the ground up, map out exactly where it's headed, and impartially weigh the pros and cons. By the end of this, you'll have a rock-solid, critical understanding of the tech that's completely reshaping our world.
Let's kick things off with a super quick scenario. Have you ever asked Siri or Alexa to, play your favorite song, or maybe set a quick timer while you're cooking dinner? Well, if you've ever used one of those digital helpers, guess what? You are already an active user of artificial intelligence. It's really not just some distant sci-fi concept anymore. It's quietly powering your everyday routines right now.
So here's our lesson plan for the Explainer today. First up, what exactly is AI? Second, the 3 types of AI. Then sections 3 and 4 will tackle the pros and the cons. And finally, section 5 will be a quick lesson review to test your knowledge.
All right, let's jump straight in. Section 1. What is AI? The basics of artificial intelligence.
Defining what we're actually talking about is our absolutely crucial first step here. At its core, artificial intelligence is a technology that combines computer science, massive sets of data, and advanced problem solving. It's kind of like giving a computer the world's biggest library of information, plus the specific tools it needs to recognize complex patterns and actually solve intricate problems using all that data.
And currently, most AI is being deployed directly for automation. Think about those online customer service bots that use voice recognition and machine learning to figure out what you need. Or take robotics engineering, where AI automates tasks that are simply way too dangerous for us humans, like mixing toxic chemicals. Heck, even on a massive scale, like piloting space vehicles to land on Mars. The practical, everyday application of this tech is already just incredibly vast.
Now that we've got the basics down, let's move right into Section 2, the 3 types of AI, going from narrow applications all the way up to superintelligence.
AI development basically breaks down into 3 distinct evolutionary stages. Step 1 is ANI, or narrow. Step 2 is AGI, or general. And Step 3 is ASI, or super. Let's walk through exactly how this technology is categorized, step by step.
First up, we have artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI for short. This automates specific, narrow tasks. And what's really fascinating here is that this is our current reality. Those customer service bots, the industrial robots, the Mars landers we just talked about, those are all perfect examples of narrow intelligence. They're engineered to be incredibly good at executing one very specific thing, and literally nothing else.
Next is artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This means a computer can actually make decisions, plan, and function very similarly to a human being. Now, a lot of experts believe this is exactly where the technology is heading right now, though to be clear, we aren't quite there just yet. But this level of capability would mean a computer can learn and apply its intelligence broadly, the keyword being general, much like how you or I adapt to totally different situations.
And finally, the big one, artificial superintelligence, or ASI. This is the stage where the intelligence of computers would actually exceed the intelligence of human beings. But the absolutely crucial word to remember here is theoretical. This isn't based on our current reality. Rather, it's a projection, an idea of where the technology could possibly go way, way out in the future.
All right, let's keep it moving to sections 3 and 4, the pros versus the cons. Time to put on those critical thinking caps and shift from learning the facts to actually analyzing them.
Here is the big question I want you to just hold in the back of your mind as we go through the source material. Do the positives of AI outweigh the negatives? Or is it the other way around? We're going to impartially lay out the real-world facts here, so you can weigh the evidence and decide for yourself.
Let's start with the pros, because they are undeniably transformative. AI streamlines and automates highly repetitive tasks, which seamlessly saves us a massive amount of time. And beyond just being efficient, it keeps us safe by taking over dangerous jobs in really hazardous environments. It also opens the door for entirely new technological discoveries and mathematically lowers the possibility of human error. So the potential for progress here is huge.
But we've got to look at the other side of the equation. The cons of AI present some very serious structural and ethical concerns. First off, these models are just incredibly expensive to run. Second, there's the potential displacement of workers in everyday non-hazardous human jobs. Plus, there is a staggering environmental cost. AI server farms require massive amounts of physical space and literally drain enormous amounts of water and energy just to function. And on top of all that, AI tools can be used to plagiarize art and content online, and they open up entirely new security vulnerabilities from hackers.
Let's actually pull two of those specific points out and compare them directly. On one side, a major pro is that AI saves humans from risking their lives in highly dangerous jobs, right? But then on the flip side, that exact same automation creates the potential loss of safe, everyday jobs that regular people rely on to make a living. It perfectly illustrates just how complex the socioeconomic debate around artificial intelligence truly is.
And we really can't overlook the immense financial reality here. We're talking about billions of dollars required to build and execute these AI models. So, as critical thinkers, you've really got to ask yourselves, is the time saved and the automation gained actually worth that massive price tag? Okay, time for Section 5, our lesson review. Let's test your knowledge with a few rapid-fire questions to see exactly what you've taken away from today's explainer.
Question number 1 coming your way. True or false? As of today, ASI, or artificial superintelligence, is purely theoretical.
The answer is true. Superintelligence is purely theoretical, at least for now.
Moving on to question 2. Fill in the blank. Currently, the AI technology we interact with on a daily basis is ANI. What exactly does the N stand for?
If you said narrow, you absolutely nailed it. We use artificial narrow intelligence for specific, highly focused tasks today.
And finally, question 3. Can you name one pro and one con of AI use? Take a second. Maybe you thought of the massive time-saving aspect as a pro and the environmental drain of those huge server farms as a con. Whatever you picked, carefully weighing both sides is absolutely key to understanding this whole topic.
So, here's the fundamental takeaway from our lesson today. Whether you look at all the evidence and conclude AI is this incredible tool for progress, or you view its drawbacks and see it as ultimately harmful, the reality is, AI is here to stay. And because of that, it is absolutely essential that we understand its mechanics, its costs, and its long-term consequences on our society.
I want to leave you with a really powerful thought straight from our source material today. Perhaps one day you will be an innovator that finds a helpful and ethical way to use AI. Grasping the basics that we covered today is just step 1. So as artificial intelligence continues to evolve faster than ever before, my final question to you is, how will you choose to use it?